So I request all the students to join once again. Yes, any student is having interest to develop the butterfly, electronic butterfly, electronic spider.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We'll do that one. Okay, electronic spider also we can develop. So first basic toys, next cell phone charger. So what we can develop is cell phone charger circuit we can develop. Okay, let all the students join the class. So for time being, I'll share. So now you can see this is not animation. Okay, you can see we can do this one butterfly wings. Video is visible now, all of you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Now you see the real one which we can develop with the number of components. Electronic butterflies. Okay, if your internet connection is good, you without blurring you can watch. So these are not animation. I'll show one part. Now you see all of it. Magnetic energy is responsible. When magnetic energy is created, that wings will move, will oscillate or flap. Okay, butterfly is flying means that is called flapping. This is not animation. All of you are able to see now butterfly which is moving now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Electronic
Yes, sir.
butterfly. We develop the electronic products, robot. Okay, what this butterfly will do, you know, application. So I'll show you this one. Let us say one building is collapsed. Okay, and many people are stuck under the building. So we can send this butterfly, and this butterfly will take the pictures of those people who are under the building. It will inform to the department, government people. So this is what we develop. We can develop. These are artificial butterflies, electronic butterflies. So how this butterfly is moving means it is nothing but because of magnetic energy. Inside the butterfly, what we are having? Basic element, inductor, electromagnet. Okay. So I'll play this one. The butterfly is flapping. That concept is called the flapping. So where is the inductor? I will show you. Yes, this black color one, all of you are able to see. This black color
Yes, sir.
object
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but the inductor.
Yes, sir.
Creating magnetic energy, and that magnetic energy is making that butterfly to move from one place to another place. Okay, so these are nothing but the practical things. So which component is there, we'll see. So let us go for the this one as per the subject. Within 5 minutes I'll end up. Now I hope the first animation which you have seen. One second. Now don't think this is an error show when I am showing the next slide. One second. Let me share this one. Yes. Yes. All of you just watch what you are seeing on the screen, because application is important where we use. All of you, new slide you are able to see on the screen, right? Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So every human body, now listen what I am saying. Okay, this is for the knowledge practice. Whenever we eat the food, whenever we chew the food, whenever we eat the food, okay, whenever we chew the food, our food particles are converted into positive charges and negative charges. These positive and negative charges create electric field and magnetic field. So human body also generates the magnetic field. You can see the right side of this image. This is the shape. That means people say to focus whenever you are doing a very positive work. Positive work means, let us say you are singing and you are using your brain maximum. You are talking less and you are using your brain maximum. So your brain generates the magnetic energy. What is the shape of that magnetic energy? Of course, circular in shape, but it is nothing but, you can see, human brain, when we are focused, it generates the magnetic energy. This down one, you can see the animation. Throughout our human body, we are having the huge magnetic energy. Okay, robots, they generate the magnetic energy. Now I have forgot to show the animation here. All of you might have seen Robo 2.0 movie. Robo 2.0,
Yes,
you
sir.
must have
Yes,
seen
sir.
how the cell
Yes,
phones,
sir.
you might have seen all the cell phones will be flying in the air and coming to one location, right? They are rotating.
Yes,
So
sir.
all cell phones
Yes,
are
sir.
attracted because of huge magnetic energy. Magnetic energy can make the cell phones to move from one place to another place, any object also. So what is this image means? You can see when the people are not present, background you can see certain signals there. There are certain shapes. Those are explaining that this
Yes,
is
sir.
taken from one particular camera,
Yes,
magnetic
sir.
yes, lines. So every human body, if you see with our eyes, we cannot see, but with the instrument we can check that magnetic energy is present across huge every human body. So how to check positive energy or negative energy? Whenever you are shouting or fighting with your friend, negative magnetic energy is created. Okay, whenever you are doing any positive thing, positive magnetic energy is created. So that magnetic energy is present across the human body also. So now come to the final one. You must know this one. So all of you, first animation will see. What is the left hand side? Anyone tell me the name? What is this one? Earth. Yes or no? Yes, new image is shown, Earth. So we all belong to the planet Earth, right? Okay. So Earth, if you see,
Yes.
Earth is also having its own magnetic field. That's why you might have studied in 10th class Earth's magnetic field. So what is that magnetic field? ఇందాక ఒకళ్ళు స్టార్టింగ్ లో అడిగారు, ఉన్నారా ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ లో? సార్ ఆ సర్కిల్ షేప్స్ ఏంటి అని ఉన్నారా?
Yes, sir.
ఓకే,
Sir, I am.
చూడండి, ఇందాక మీరు సర్కిల్ షేప్స్ ఏంటి అన్నారు అంటే ఎక్కడైతే కరెంట్ వెళ్తుందో అక్కడ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ వస్తుంది. కానీ రియల్ గా మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ ఎట్లుంటుంది? యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ డయాగ్రామ్, దిస్ యానిమేషన్. మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ యూ కెన్ సీ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిఫరెంట్ లైన్స్ we are having. We cannot draw all these lines. So what is the easiest method to draw? So show by circles. How many number of circles? It is up to you. You can draw 6 or 5 or you can draw 100. Okay, basically 3 to 4 you can draw. Now you
Okay,
understood
sir.
why you are drawing the circles.
Yeah.
We cannot draw this one.
Okay, sir.
Every object.
Okay, sir. Understood. Thank
Okay,
you.
good. Every object is having its own magnetic field, which we cannot see with our eyes. Human body also. See, there are certain people who can walk on the water, you know, all of you. People who are doing the yoga, they generate the magnetic field. They are able to walk on the water. So without touching also, certain people with their brain magnetic field, our brain generates the magnetic field. We can move one particular stone without touching with our hand. We can also move one stone with our brain magnetic field. Okay, how to create that magnetic field? Human body, will see it later on. Now you see right side, what is this image? Anyone tell me? All planets.
Planet.
Yes, solar
Planet,
system,
sir.
all planets.
Solar
All,
system,
yes.
sir.
Planets.
All of you tell me one question. I'll ask you. We are in the planet Earth. Okay, we are at the ground. Okay, we are standing, but planet Earth is in the space. Yes or no? Planet Earth is always rotating or constant?
Yes, sir.
Planet Earth is rotating or
Rotating.
constant? It is always
Rotating,
rotating.
sir.
And planet Earth is in the
Space
space.
count.
Planet Earth is in the space and it is not falling down. Why? Because of the, of course, gravitational as well as the magnetic energy. You can see why all planets are not colliding with each other, and why they are rotating, and they are rotating at certain different positions, circular orbits, means because of the magnetic energy. So magnetic energy is present everywhere. But as an electronic engineer, how to create the magnetic energy? How to create magnetic energy? Take the copper wire, rotate the copper wire, and pass the current through the copper wire. It creates magnetic energy. If you want high magnetic energy, place that copper wire on the iron rod. Okay. Now you see, all of you, examination, you can draw this one also. The first figure I have shown you, where there are 3 to 4 circles, you can also draw this one. Okay. Tomorrow I'll release the material. So current flowing through a conductor. This blue color line is called the conductor, copper wire. When current flows through the conductor, only one line you have to remember from today's class. When current flows through the conductor, dash is created. All of you? When current flows through the conductor,
Magnetic energy.
magnetic energy. Now I'll tell you the difference between magnetic energy and field. See, if the magnetic energy is not constant at one place and it is distributed and it is moving everywhere, then the magnetic energy is called magnetic field. Understood, all of you? You can see that animation. Magnetic energy is expanding and decreasing. So if the magnetic energy is not constant at one place and it is changing its position, then we call it as the magnetic field. You can use magnetic energy or magnetic field throughout your answer. So whenever current flows through a conductor, magnetic energy is created, and all the engineers, we draw the magnetic energy in which shape? Anyone tell me? Circular shape. This green color one is called the magnetic field. Okay. Now,
Circular shape.
yes, examination, define inductor or define electromagnet, means a copper wire taken in the form of a circular shape is called the inductor. When current flows through the inductor, magnetic energy is created. I want to create huge magnetic energy. So take one iron rod. Here the blue color one is called the iron rod. Iron rod is called as a core. Core means iron material or steel material. In our house also, you can try, all of you. In our house, we are having this, we say aluminium, what we say, అల్యూమినియం కంటైనర్. మీకు రైస్ కుక్కర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, రైస్ కుక్కర్ అంటే ఏముంటుంది, అది అల్యూమినియం. ఓకే, దాని చుట్టూ కాపర్ వైర్ చుట్టండి. అల్యూమినియం లేకపోతే ఇంకోటి మీకు అల్యూమినియం గిన్నె ఉంటుంది ఇంట్లో. ఆ అల్యూమినియం గిన్నెకి ఏం చేయండి అంటే చుట్టూ కాపర్ వైర్ తీసుకొని చుట్టేసి బ్యాటరీ, పెద్ద సైజ్ బ్యాటరీ పెడితే మీకు అది మ్యాగ్నెట్ లాగా పనిచేస్తుంది, ఎలక్ట్రోమ్యాగ్నెట్. ప్రూఫ్ ఎట్లా అంటే మీరు స్మాల్ ఐరన్ పిన్నీస్ అవి తీసుకొస్తే మీకు it will get attracted. But today you practice that video which I will release later on today evening. Now what is this one? So electromagnet contains an iron rod. On the iron rod we are placing the inductor. ఇది ఎట్లా డ్రా చేయాలో చూపించా కదా మొన్న క్లాస్ లో, గుర్తుందా ఎవరికైనా?
ఎస్ సార్, నాకు గుర్తు.
ఆ వీడియోలో ఉంటుంది, ఎస్ అని రాసేయాలి, యాక్యురేట్ గా రాకపోయినా ఇది. సో ఎన్ని టర్న్స్ మనకి ఎక్కువ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఎనర్జీ రావాలంటే ఎక్కువ టర్న్స్ చుట్టాలి దీనిపైన. ఇప్పుడు ఇంకో ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చెప్తాను. కోకోకోలా టిన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, పెప్సీ టిన్, కోకోకోలా టిన్ కొంటారు కదా, ఆ టిన్ పైన కూడా కాపర్ వైర్ చుట్టచ్చు. ఎందుకంటే అది కూడా ఐరన్ కానీ స్టీల్, సిలికాన్ స్టీల్ తో ఉంటుంది, అల్యూమినియం. సో కోకోకోలా we can place the copper wire on this particular Coca-Cola tin box. Okay, tin box. Now, so what's going to happen? We can place this one. Copper wire is placed. So when current flows, ikkada enti battery istunam. So when current flows through this particular wire, magnetic energy is created. When current flows through the wire, magnetic energy is created. Understood, all of you? This is the electromagnet. This one we'll discuss later on, this figure. So for today's class, what is inductor? When current flows through the inductor, magnetic energy is created. This is an electromagnet. If you want to create more magnetic energy, place the copper wire on the iron rod. You will create maximum magnetic energy. Okay. So now you see. ఈ లెఫ్ట్ యానిమేషన్ చూడండి అందరూ. బ్యాటరీ, దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాపర్ వైర్. ఓకే, ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ ఆర్ మూవింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ current is flowing. Okay, this is the basic current. So now what is this one? So we'll discuss later on. అంటే ఇక్కడ చూడండి, మీరు కాపర్ కండక్టర్ అన్నారు కదా, కండక్టర్ లోకి కరెంట్ వెళ్తున్నప్పుడు దాని చుట్టూ ఏముంటుంది, విచ్ ఎనర్జీ? మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్. ఆ మ్యాగ్నెటిక్ ఫీల్డ్ ని ఒక రెక్టాంగులర్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అంటే చూడండి ఇప్పుడు, సో వన్ కండక్టర్ is creating magnetic energy. Okay, and that magnetic energy is that conductor is placed in a rectangular box, glass. So entire magnetic energy you can see here. This animation, of course, So this one already shown to you. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి ఇది ఏం రాస్తుంది ఇక్కడ చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ
Bell.
bell. Electric bell, how it will work, all of you see. First I am taking the battery, okay, I am passing the current, and that it is placed on the iron material, the copper wire. So what happens, ikkada emotundi, magnetic energy is created. Magnetic energy will attract this clapper ante iron rod, okay na. So what is the how electric bell works means, battery, from the battery we get current flows through the copper wire, which is the inductor with the number of turns, which is placed on the iron rod. This is the iron rod. So what happens, magnetic energy is created. Magnetic energy attracts this iron material. Once again, clapper, అది attract అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, it is touching this particular bell. So then sound is created in this manner. Okay, so when how bell operates means, from the battery current starts to flow, and that current creates magnetic energy. Okay, the huge magnetic energy, and that magnetic energy attracts the iron material which is touching the bell. In this way the bell works. So make syllabus lo ledu how the bell works ani, I am just showing the animation. Okay, any questions are there? Now I am just ending now. Anyone? So tomorrow we'll see the material. Okay, right, I am just ending this one. Okay, right.